All right, so what it is doing now is going out to all of your 150 documents and looking at your most frequently talked about broad business topics, problem-solving topics, and looking on the internet for any new inspiration, any headlines, any questions in forums like Reddit or Forbes or Business Insider or Fox News or whatever. And then it's saying, okay, your main categories ranked by most popularly talked about online are these questions, these examples, the category of topic, which this is always going to change. Every time you run this, it's going to change based on what's out there.
Okay.
But it's always going to leverage or be informed by Henry's point of view on things.
Okay.
First, we're going to go find the topic. Then we're going to respond to it based on as if it were Henry. Okay, and then it's also going to give you the source. So if you don't like any of these sources, you can skip it or we can take it out. But it's just giving you context for where these topics are coming from.
Okay. And how many topics will be there?
There will always be 5 here, but then when you scroll down a little bit, it's taking each one and giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more topics that you can talk about within that topic.
Okay.
With also where it came from. So like this is your speaker handbook.
Got it.
Here's Forbes. Your book is in here, your Unstuck book. So here's your Unstuck book.
Okay.
All right. So then it's doing that all through the 5 topics.
Yep.
Okay, we don't have to copy the source, but we're just going to copy this topic. Then we're going to open up your trained AI agent. And this is where we get to pick what we want to write about, but what we want to write about is this topic that we just picked. And then let's write a storytelling newsletter since that was where we started with this whole thing. All right, so what it did, Henry, I forgot, we put that in there as a step because sometimes you might want to just write something really quick that you have in your head and not consult the topic generator. So you'll just answer this question with number 2, or excuse me, from number 1, or number 2 is pasting it in. And, you know, AI always has to compliment you. So here is our storytelling newsletter first publication option.
That's pretty wild. What happens if, let's say, I want to create a sales letter?
Okay. On about what?
The benefits of using a coach.
Gotcha. All right. So let's go back to the AI agent. So I want to write a sales letter. What did you tell me?
On the benefits of using a coach for a small business.
Anything else?
No, let's start there. Let's just see what happens.
Wow.
Huh. Wow. It's crazy. Okay, so this is very cool.
It's very cool. It's game changing.